too easy. Let's see the camera inside. And that's it. And I can see behind my ute now as the courier driver turns into our driveway. I've actually always wanted a reversing camera on the back of the ute because it's a long vehicle. There are plenty of blind spots when you're reversing, and it would actually be really handy to be able to see the tow ball when I'm trying to connect the car to the caravan. So next test, I'm going to tilt the camera and see how far down I can get. So I couldn't tilt it quite far enough to see the tow ball, but I am wondering if I could put one of those magnetic squares foot lower down. So what I learned is the surface needs to be completely dry when you try to stick the magnetic squares on, and there's a slight curve where I put it, which means the reversing camera isn't sitting fully magnetized onto the square. So I do wonder how secure it is there. Ideal spot would be where my NZMCA sticker is currently sitting. So I need to pop to the supermarket, so I thought, why not have it on the back of the ute for this trip? I've just popped the camera on the back of the ute, turned it on. I've put the screen in the cigarette lighter and turned it on, and yep, I can see behind the ute. So easy. And I just noticed an easy way for me to be able to see the tow ball. You can put the camera on the base as well. I learned that you want to screw the antenna on pretty firmly. You can see it starting to go through the shot. And very handy for checking who's behind. And I went over a couple of bumps and the camera stayed firmly in place. Moving day today. It's been raining off and on. Not the ideal day to travel, but anyway. And I'm going to use the reversing camera to attach the car to the caravan. Pretty excited. This has been one of my pain points when I've been caravanning on my own. A lot easier. I think the quirk I'll have to learn is it looked closer than it actually was, but that's easy to learn. Next, I'd actually really like to try and pair the two cameras so I can have it showing on one screen. I played around with the settings and eventually I got both cameras working. It kind of made sense once I figured out how to do it. Both views have actually been squished into squares to completely fill the screen, so it does look a little bit odd. I might tilt the camera at the back of the ute down a little bit more.